If you need to remove a card from your Ally Bank account, follow these simple steps to ensure the process is completed efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Ally Bank website or mobile app and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to the Card Management section. Once logged in, locate the Account Services or Card Management section in the menu. This is where you can manage your cards. Step 3. Select the card to remove. In the Card Management section, find the card you wish to remove. Click on it to view the card details. Step 4. Choose the Remove option. Look for an option that says Remove Card or Delete Card. Click on this option to initiate the removal process. Step 5. Confirm the removal. You will likely be prompted to confirm your decision to remove the card. Review any information provided and confirm the removal. After completing these steps, your card should be successfully removed from your Ally Bank account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Ally Bank's customer support for assistance.